Caterkit has been providing breakdown repairs, maintenance and equipment installations across the hospitality sector for over 30 years. Whether you require one appliance or a complete kitchen, we have access to all manufacturers across the globe. Use our kitchen design service to ensure equipment fits perfectly, and our expertise in modifications and bespoke fabrication to maximise space. Then help spread the cost of your equipment and project with finance. We are happy to install equipment you have purchased elsewhere and can provide an installation survey to ensure we can get your equipment up and running, including any new electric, gas, water and waste supplies. We can also provide emergency breakdown call-outs, with the expertise to carry out repairs for equipment by any manufacturer, from ovens to dishwashers and refrigeration, unique or obsolete. You can book your call-out online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we can be with you in as little as 2 hours. Our planned maintenance visits can prevent breakdowns and save you money in the long term.